Have you ever truly stopped to think that the bread you eat every day, is it just food or an entire story? A story that takes us on a journey through time, back nearly 1,000 years, when the world was simple, life moved slowly, and humans lived closer to nature. Back then, wheat was not just a crop, it was the center of life. When the first rays of the sun touched the earth, the fields would glow in golden light, a gentle breeze would pass, and the wheat would sway softly. That sight was not just beautiful, it was a promise of life. The farmer would harvest the crop with his own hands. Every grain was the result of hard work. Every ear of wheat held a piece of hope. This wheat did not come from markets. It came from the land, from sweat, from effort, and from patience. When the harvest was ready, it was brought into the homes. In a corner of the house, there would be a simple stone grinder. No electricity, no noise, just a human and a mill. A woman would turn the grinder with her hands, slowly, steadily. The sound of the rotating stone echoed in the quiet of the home. That sound was not just a sound, it was the music of effort. This slow grinding process did not just turn wheat into flour, it kept it pure. Everything the body needed remained within it: fiber, vitamins, natural energy. This flour gave life. From this flour, bread was made on a clay stove in the glow of fire. The aroma of fresh bread would fill the entire home. That fragrance was not just of food, it was of comfort. It was of belonging, and then time moved on. The world progressed. Humans embraced speed, and gradually, machines replaced the traditional grinding stones. Today, we live in a completely different world, a world where everything is fast, where time is valuable, and where convenience matters most. Now, wheat goes straight from the fields to factories. Massive machines run day and night. Thousands of tons of wheat are turned into flour within minutes. Conveyor belts, high-speed blades, and continuous production. Everything is fast. Everything is mechanical. But in this speed, something has been left behind. When wheat is processed, its outer layer is removed, the very layer that is the main source of fiber. Then it is bleached to make it look more appealing. Sometimes, chemicals are added. After that, it is packed and stored for months before it reaches our plates. By the time it gets to us, it is no longer the same as it once was. When it came from the today, we buy it without thinking, without questioning, because it is easy. But the question is convenience always better? In the past, people lived to eat. Today, we simply eat to live. Back then, food was scarce, but it was pure. Today, food is abundant, but so is adulteration. Back then, bodies were stronger. Today, diseases are common: diabetes, high blood pressure, heart diseases. Why weren't these so common before? Is it just the effect of time, or is it our food? As we moved away from nature, our health moved away from us. We gained convenience, but we paid a price, and that price was our health. On one side, there was the past full of hard work, but also peace, where food was simple, yet pure. On the other side, there is today, where everything is available, but peace seems lost. So the real question is not which time was better. The real question is, what can we learn? Can we adopt old principles along with modern life? Can we improve our food? Can we return to purity again? Maybe not completely, but at least a little, because in the end, we are what we eat. And if we want to change our health, we must change our food. This is not just a story, it's a message, a reminder that true strength lies in simplicity and true health lies in nature. Now the decision is yours: what you eat and how you live.